Multiple units on scene. Appears to be a several vehicle accident. Orlando Police Department also involved. It's a patrol vehicle involved crash. Gonna have Quint 6-7 on scene, Rescue 6-7 on scene, Maitland PD, patrol cars right there in front. You guys might not be able to see that while the light's blinking. There's a OPD car, front end smashed up. That's on the tow truck. It should be coming out real soon here. There's a shot of the OPD car back up front of Quint 6-7. Front end smashed up pretty good. Unsure of any injuries. Not sure exactly details of what happened. If this was a chase. This is Orange County's jurisdiction. Better shot of the OPD unit. Better OPD unit there. There appears to be at least 2 other vehicles involved. Pickup truck, Dodge pickup, and a black car there. If I get more information, I'll post it down in the description, but right now, as of filming, I don't know what's going on. I just know it's a patrol vehicle crash, 2 vehicles. Maitland PD is also on scene. I'm not sure if it came out as an officer needs help, why the multiple units from the surrounding community showed up. So